Dental filling economics, understanding price differences in Europe and Turkey. Dental health is an essential component of overall health, as is filling cavities. It's an ordinary procedure patients undergo at one point during their lives. The cost for dental fillings can differ greatly according to where you are within the world. In this clip, we'll look at the cost of dental fillings and we'll focus specifically on prices that differ in Europe as well as Turkey. What is a dental filling? A dental filling can be described as the process where the dentist takes tooth-decayed materials and fills the tooth cavity using an alloy of alloy silver-composed resin, gold, or porcelain. The filling helps bring back the functionality of your tooth and also prevent the tooth from further decay. The price of dental fillings may depend on the kind of substance used, the position of the tooth, as well as the dental expert's experience. Price differences in Europe. In Europe, the price of dental fillings is a bit different dependent on the place of origin. For instance, in the countries of Sweden, Norway, and Switzerland, dentistry can be quite costly. A typical cost of fillings for dental purposes in these areas can range between €100 up to €300. If you live in countries like Spain, Italy, and France, where the costs could be lower and vary between €50 up to €200. Price differences in Turkey. In contrast, dentistry is a breeze in Turkey is generally less expensive than other European countries. Costs of dentist's appointment in Turkey is a range of €20 up to €50 depending on the materials used as well as the expert dentist's knowledge. This is why Turkey the most sought-after location for medical tourism, because many patients prefer to travel to Turkey for dental treatments that are affordable. Factors influencing price differences. Many factors influence the cost differences regarding dental fillings and procedures between Europe as well as Turkey. One major factor is the price of living and work in the respective countries. Countries that have higher standards of living and costs for labor tend to provide more costly dental treatments. Furthermore, the expense of dental materials and equipment used during dental procedures may influence the price of dental fillings. Another element that can influence price variations is the amount of competition within the world of dental. The market in Europe, in the European Union, where dental treatment is more controlled and monopolized and regulated, the costs tend to be greater. In Turkey, however, there's increased competition among dentists that can lower costs. In the end, the price of dental fillings may vary substantially across Europe as well as Turkey. Even though dental care in Europe is commonly regarded as costly, Turkey offers more affordable options for people seeking top-quality treatment for their teeth. It is essential for people to think about these cost differences in deciding on their oral health. They should investigate the right option that meets the needs of their patients. In the end, it is important to put your health before everything else and locate a trusted dentist who will provide high-quality dental care for a low cost.